I see your microphone is not working. Let's see the way to fix it. The first thing you would like to consider here is, if you have enabled Google Assistant, try saying "Hey Google" or "OK Google" right now. If it works, you can fix this right now. Okay, you need to follow this process. Go to your setting. From the setting, go inside your About Phone option. Tap on all the specs. After that, you will see kernel version option somewhere there. Tap it multiple times continuously until it takes you to the next screen. Now find the mic speak test and tap on it once. Now try speaking from your mic. Now whether it reacts or not, just mark it as error so your device works on it to fix it. Now let's go to your sub mic test. Now try speaking loudly from the top edge of your device where your sub mic is. Now you know what to do. Whether or not it reacts, just mark it as error. Now you might want to restart your device. But before that, let's do something. I'm just trying to make this video as short as possible for you. Now try and say "OK Google" or "Hey Google" and tap on your profile icon, Google account icon, and scroll down till you see voice match option. You click on that and disable this "Hey Google" feature, this Google Assistant feature for just now, and try restarting your device. That's what you need to do right now. By now your problem should have been solved. If it doesn't, try repeating this step again. You can re-enable the Google Assistant feature. If this video was helpful, you can give us a like. I would like to say thank you and have a good day.